compile and code. From now on, I'll be uploading videos for Codechef problems. I won't upload videos for problems like number mirror, which are really easy. And you have just to take the input and print it. I'll be uploading problems in which people can actually have problems, like the cut the board problem. Today I'll upload a video for cut the board. Let's do it. 1 second. Here it is. As you can see, I've done quite a lot of problems. Let's start. The simple thing in which this problem we have to do is we'll be given the rows n as n and columns as m. So we have to take two cells and which share a common edge that has not been cut and cut it. We have to see how many times Suzumo can do this. So the simple thing we have to solve it is not to see edge but the cells. We can see, like, we don't have to cut the edge but to cut two cells at once. That will make it very easy for us to think it like that. And we have to keep two set of cells, one set of cells that has not been cut. So the simple thing we have to do is we have to minus 1 from the rows and minus 1 from the columns. The test case 1, 2 and 4. 2 minus 1, 1 and 4 minus 1, 3. 1 into 3 is 3. See, this is very easy. Let us apply this logic. I usually solve problems in Java. So this is the simplest thing you have to learn to do Codechef problems. Scanner scan equals new scanner system.in. Over here, instead of scan, you can write anything as scan or anything you are comfortable with. I personally like scan. So let us do the problem. First we create first we take an input for the number of test cases. Int t equals scan dot next int and a semicolon. Okay, wait a minute. Now we'll get the for loop for number of test cases. Int I, we can take any int. I'll take I. Int I, while int I is equal to 0, I is less than t, I plus plus. So we take an integer I, and while I is smaller than t, the for loop will continue running, and after the for loop has been run once, the I will be incremented by 1. Let's start. We'll take input for the rows and columns. Int n is equal to scan dot next int. Int m is equal to scan dot next int. Now this simple thing we have to do. N minus minus m minus minus. When we want to minus only 1, you can use shortcut like this: minus minus or plus plus, minus minus or plus plus. So let's print system dot out dot println n multiplied by m. There you go. You have your answer. So let's revise the code again. We created a for loop, took an integer While I is smaller than the number of test cases, the for loop will continue running. And after the for loop has been run once, we increase I by 1. We take input for the rows and columns, decrease the row and columns by 1, and then print it. And then print them multiplied. Let's see. I don't know why this insect error comes every time I try to solve a problem, but I can only do one thing. Take the test example, input and output, and verify if my code is correct or not. I've been trying to solve the insect error from a long time, but I can't. So let us see. 3, 4, 35 and 24. 3, 4, 35 and 24. Our code is correct. Now let's submit it. See, it is correct. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.